I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is FluentCRM. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a contact is create. You can choose as you want. Click Next. Search and select Actions Salesflare. Give here the API key, so go to the Salesflare site. Click on the plus button and give a meaningful name. Create. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to FluentCRM Dashboard. Go to the Contact module. Click on Add Contact. Type some information and create contact. Create contact. Contact added successfully. Now go to your Salesflare site. And you can see that the data came successfully in Salesflare. Thanks for watching.